Ugh. Okay. Miriam's back. I don't know which one is which, so it doesn't matter. I got L.O.L surprise unboxing shit. I always wanted one of these for my display back there, and I just thought it'd be fun to bring Miriam along to unbox one. So let's unbox them.
Sunshine makeover. All right.
They're supposed to like change colors in the sun.
Oh, well, the sun's out. Get the guns out. Looks like a zipper. It's not ripping on the perforated edge. There we go.
Oh. Magic hour. Your mom.
Okay. You know if any of that was important? I don't think it was. Oh, here you go. Here's some sticker.
Oh, yeah.
Sun kiss. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever.
All right.
Cool.
I'm just okay.
Just a ball.
Yeah.
There we go. Just a ball.
There's a ball
Just a
with people
ball.
inside of it. Show me your guts. All right. So I'm just gonna
texture.
Cool. I don't want to look at any of the bits. I want to unbox the clothing and know what's inside of you.
They put it in paper now. Nice.
Good.
This is having so much plastic. Yeah. I mean, there's still a lot of plastic.
Oh my
All
God,
right.
she's terrified.
Child. Oh, cool. You didn't get the same ones. Why is she split? Why are they split like this? She is a tramp stamp.
Oh my God.
No, it's a model number, but it's still very funny that they put it right there.
on the, like they don't have issues with people
Hope you
accusing
don't
them of things.
Get demonetized for naked babies on your thing.
It's all just
She's
blurred
got
bodies.
She's actually really cute. I'm not gonna show her body, but I'll show her.
They're so cute. They are cute.
Oh God, hold on. There we go. Focus on her. Whatever.
But
She's fun.
Missing. Have you seen Meow?
Oh, that's really sad. Where's the cat? Oh my God! Strawberry milk. Ooh. Yeah, squish.
She's a strawberry.
It's very nice. Little strawberry. She's a strawberry queen. Look at her.
Okay, here we go. Some fucking Polly Pocket clothes for my adult body, for my adult sensibilities. Aw, they're cute little outfits. I cannot. These are very cute. These are so dumb and so cute. I can see myself. I could definitely have seen ages 7 to really about like 10 or 12-year-old me being absolutely obsessed with these. I love Polly Pockets. Like, still love them to this day. And these are just more fashion-forward Polly Pockets.
Oh my God, the heart is clear. It's supposed to be a see-through window.
Come on.
To an infant's chest.
She's not an infant. They're
She
just
is
tiny.
an infant.
They're just tiny dolls.
They're literally made like babies. They're built like babies. Alright, let's put your pants on. I'm not selling child pornography.
What are these little shoes? They're just so
That
tiny.
is cute. Look at that. That's cute.
Yeah.
Here's a little outfit. Fun. Footrest.
Did I get bitten off by a bug on my forehead? Yes.
Sunglasses! These are fierce. Look at them. Hell yeah.
Just gonna set you
Go,
there.
girl.
You've lost your milk privileges.
Bada bing. Look at that.
So I
There you
didn't get
go.
sunglasses. I got a giant headband. Cat ears headband. They are so cute and so dumb.
Yeah. She won't hold it.
And they drink.
Yeah.
You can put the carton of milk shoved right into their tiny little faces.
Mm-hmm.
Weird little.
Right?
They're supposed to change colors. I guess I'll take it out later and do some B-roll with it. That was fun.
Oh, I'm not done.
I was gonna say
something else.
Hopefully they didn't just have her be barefoot. She's trying her best.
Oh. Cute little red platforms.
Ooh, shoes.
What's yours look like? Very picnic. Well, she doesn't. She's only going to have one shoe now.
No.
I dropped it and I truly cannot see it.
Okay. Alright. I love how I was like, I'm gonna close TikTok so my TikTok doesn't make any noises while I'm filming.
Where did your shoe go, Miranda?
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Well, it's fine. I clean relatively
She's got
often
poor
enough.
house training. She only walks out with one shoe.
She's, you know, sometimes the club be bumping. Sometimes your feet hurt.
You're right.
There's a lot less plastic than there was when I first heard of L.O.L surprise dolls.
So much plastic.
A little bit of
Ben's ex-fiance used to love to get these.
Ah.
There was a lot. I've seen them before. There was lots of plastic involved. I was like, this is really
But now they're like,
wasteful. They're like, oh, hey, paper works too.
yeah, paper. The only plastic, which is still annoying, is
The wrap.
yeah. But it's not the worst. You have anything important to say to me? Thanks for purchasing our product.
Let's read about our girls. There they are.
Is it
Color
just
change into sun.
cute?
Checkered Chica, sun number 3.
Checker Chica Makeover
Popular.
Club. And you got a Makeover Club one, and I got a Trendsetters Club, which is Cheery Cherry.
Mm.
She's fun.
Snaps are so cute.
Snaps is cute. She's got
That-
Bat's hair.
I was about to say that hair is so cool looking. Also like electric waves. She looks very fun.
Sour Sweetie is pink. And Royal Roy's. I like Pom Pom's, but I don't like Pom Pom's hair as much. And Blossom's pants are really fun.
Mm-hmm.
And did we
Very
get
cute.
or Electric Waves is the only rare one in the set. No, we did not. But that was fine. Yeah. That was fun. This is a fun little side quest. Thanks for joining me on this.
Whee!
Got to
Gotta find that shoe now.
Yeah. Miriam's gonna go on a shoe hunt. And I'm gonna do the outro of this video so that I can actually move the chair. You can follow me on Instagram. Oh my god, tiny baby shoe. You can't even see it in my hand. You can
It's
follow
just a
me
little red shoe.
on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and you can also follow me on my second channel where I have a video talking about the history of controversies of L.O.L surprise dolls. It should be out around the same time this one's out. I also talk about a lot of dolls. I like dolls. They're fun. Miriam has
Bye.
baby hand.
Recurring
Bye.
channel baby hand.
Baby hand and new friends. Miriam called this one Miranda, so obviously
It feels right.
the name sticks. You're gonna probably have a changing name, but now I have props. I've got people-shaped props for this motherfucker. What's in here? What is in there?
I don't know. What you?
It's gross.
I don't want to touch it actually.
Ew. You've just been collecting dust
Gremlin.
in my cup. I mean, I'm the gremlin.
I know. I'm calling you a gremlin.
I'm the problem here.
Bye,
Bye.
Barbie leg.
Oh my god,
You have
yes.
so many dismembered doll parts.
It's life. It's a living. So cool. They're
They're
fun.
cute.
They're just gay.
They're in the hot tub.
They're in the hot tub. They're just gay. And they're safe up there. And she's got earrings. She came with earrings.
She came with earrings. You can take them out. You can swap them, I think.
Worm.
They both have earrings. So. Yeah, yours has earrings.
Worm. All right. Bye, guys. check out my other video about L.O.L surprise dolls. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna recycle all this shit and be good consumers. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, you repeat what you just told me.
Grab your things. Grab the things for no, not that. The instructions. I'll tell y'all in a second. We gotta get the instructions out. Alright. This is what I meant.
Okay.
Yours, let's see. Is it on there? No, yours. Okay, so yours.
Mine cries.
Winky. That one's a cry. And then mine also cries. Boo, we don't have a mouse spitter.
There was one that just squirts.
Yeah. So it tells you for each one. Okay. Oh.
Not the pistol.
Okay. So you can fill up the little drink things with water. And depending on which one yours is, it either cries, spits it out of its mouth, or pisses itself. American toy, capitalism, consumerism. Good night. I'm leaving. Why did they make it piss itself of all the things you could do?
Piss.
We could have stopped at piss and cry.
I was like, oh my god, spitting is fun.
Right?
And crying
hold
is
on.
camp.
We have to do it.
Okay.
Come here, Miranda.
Come on, Miranda girl.
We're experimenting. Come on, Miranda.
We're doing science. You know, I had a bad feeling about it when it had the little squirty squirt mouth hole, but I thought, no, we are beyond like the Barbie doll with the dog that you would feed the dog water and then you'd squeeze it and it pissed. I had that Barbie dog, and my parents thought it was so gross. They were like, why does she eat? Why does she piss?
Okay. So she's got little holes in her eyeballs where she's supposed to cry. How does it work?
So you feed her a little bit of water.
You crush her head.
Did you feel the?
Yeah.
Okay. Through the.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
You do through the mouth. Get in there. Okay. You felt the water.
You're not.
She doesn't work.
She's not hydrated enough. She can't cry.
Let's try again. I'll try to get more water in.
Oh my god, we're doing science right now. Good lord.
Time to waterboard the child.
Time to waterboard the baby.
What now? Ah!
Miriam's done science.
Yes. Let's see if it works.
Ah! It is so, and like once you look at her and you see that she's got little pinholes in her eyes, it is
the most unsettling fucking. Why did they feel like they had to add that?
Girl, you gotta wear your sunglasses. I'm putting them.
You're a weirdo. Your eyeballs squirted, people.
It is okay.
You projectile cry.
Yeah.
We gotta keep you contained.
That's why we gotta put you in the vase, with your friend. Yeah.
Wait, grab yours. I want to see the pinholes in her eyes.
Hers don't cry. That's why I was caught off guard. She ain't got no tears.
Is she a spitter? Are you a spitter?
Let's look. Because if she is, we have to. We have
she
to.
is.
No. She's a pisser.
She sure is. I was about to ask, do we need to do it? The funeral dirge plays as I trudge to the bathroom.
We just finished watching Midsummer, and I feel the need to like scream vocal stim at Miriam because I know Miriam will scream back at me. I just hate the little like the little sign for her piss. It's like, oh no, I pissed myself.
Have you seen that Reddit thing where the girl basically her sister's like, you can't come to my wedding because your husband pisses himself and refuses to wear adult diapers. But the shady secret is she lied to her family and said it was a medical condition, but it was really an embarrassment piss kink that he was doing with her family. And she knew, and she was like indignant. She's like, how dare you not invite him because it's a medical condition? It's like, bitch, it's not even a medical condition and you know it!
Hold up, please piss.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Please piss in a cup.
Pee in a cup like an adult.
I'll just see.
I need to see where to squeeze her because I don't know if it's her body or her head.
Okay,
It's not her body, it's hard. Never mind. I just have to cover her mouth and just...
let's see, for the alright.
Squeeze her head.
Let's get it going.
I think I got enough.
I'm so sorry. A lot of you signed up for makeup, and this is just a weird
You
little...
have to squeeze the other sides. There should be enough water. Lord. Let's try again. Bitch needs 2 bottles before she pisses.
She's gotta get 2 drinks deep before she pisses herself. And no, I had not heard that Am I the Asshole post. Of course they get so indignant when they're just like, why am I not allowed to piss kink at my sister-in-law's wedding?
We have to watch that video. Okay. I gave up on the bottle. The bottle's not fucking working. It just pressurizes. So I just shoved her head under and squeezed it until it was full.
This is for someone. That's for someone.
Be ashamed of yourself. Be ashamed! You literally created babies.
They're just, the problem is that they're cute.
They are cute.
Like, they're...
Until they piss themselves like babies.
I just didn't need this. You two are going into jail.
Baby jail.
That was so much fun. I love having little cutesy props. They're sitting in a...
They piss and cry.
But they have to go to jail now because they
so
piss and cry.
miserable. Like, what?
I have to ask Bree if she lets Chloe have.
I think the
L.O.L
bigger
cry.
ones would make it easier for like the holes, because those are hard to get water in.
I think the big ones don't do gimmicks like that. The ones that are just like Barbie dolls. Yeah.
That's a missed opportunity.
That's wild. We've already done our outro, so we don't even have to do another outro.
Bye.
Bye.
Here, you get to have some information you really didn't want to.
Oh god. That was fun. I need to put that back.